On this day in history, August 30th, 1963, President John F. Kennedy became the first U.S. president to have a direct phone line to Moscow. Designed to establish communication between the president and the Soviet premier, a hotline was created between the Oval Office and the Kremlin. In the wake of the October 1962 Cuban Missile Crisis, where the United States and USSR had come very close to nuclear war, the hope of establishing a phone line between the U.S. and Russia would reduce the risk of war occurring by accident or miscalculation. The steps taken on August 30th marked the first step toward the future of advanced technology when the leaders of both world superpowers could pick up the phone and instantly talk to each other 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It was agreed that the line would only be used in emergencies and for urgent communication required between the United States and the Soviet Union. The process worked as follows. President Kennedy would phone the Pentagon and relay a message. The message would be typed into a telegraph machine, encrypted, and then transmitted. The Pentagon would then send that message to the Kremlin. Instead of taking hours like it had previously, the messages could arrive in minutes. At the time, in 1963, this technology was the best that anyone could offer. It enabled real-time communications between the two countries as quickly as possible, with minimal delay and with a high level of reliability and security. And although the system was established during the Kennedy administration, it wasn't until 4 years later that President Lyndon B. Johnson actually got to use the communications relay when he spoke to the Russians about activating the Air Force in the Mediterranean.